pretty sure that one of the features that you like the most in your iPhone is the camera, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a few camera gestures that you must know. But before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This video is sponsored by Setapp, an incredible cross-platform suite which gives you access to over 200 iOS and macOS applications without any additional cost. You only need to pay for your subscription and choose the apps that you would like to use. Now, a great benefit is that you can start a 7-day trial for free when you use the link listed down below in the description. So starting off, the first feature that I highly recommend you try is Quick Take. So let's open the camera app, and Quick Take allows you to shoot video while holding the photo button, so you don't have to switch to video mode. So simply press and hold the shutter, and there you have it. You are already recording your video. Also, if you swipe right, you can lock the recording so you don't have to be constantly pressing the shutter button. Then something else you can do is that you can take a photo while shooting this video. So in order to take a photo, you don't have to stop the recording and go ahead and take a photo. If you press this button right here at the bottom right of your screen, you will be taking a photo. So let's stop my recording right now. And as you can see, I'm going to have a few photos and then my video. Now let's go back to the camera app, and something else you can do is shoot video with a filter. So let's stay here in photo mode, and if you swipe up, you'll see that a few options appear on your display. Press on the last icon, which is the filters icon, and choose a filter that you would like to use. I'm gonna choose the last one, which is the black and white. And now we're gonna use Quick Take again. So simply press and hold the shutter, and your video the recording starts with the filter. So if we go here to the camera app, you'll see that the video is in black and white. And also something really nice about it is that if by any chance you want to go back to the original, so you want to go back to the video without any filter, simply press on Edit, press on the third icon right here, and go back to original. Whenever you press done, your video your video goes back to the original. Now let's go back to the camera app, and something else you can do is take burst pictures. So let's say you're jumping in the pool and you want to take a photo of you in the air. This may be a little bit hard to do if you're just pressing right here to take your photo, right? So if you want, you can take burst photos, a lot of photos at the same time. So simply press and swipe left, and the burst photos already start. So as you can see, I already took 40, 50 pictures. So if you're jumping in the pool, it is an easier way to take that photo. And last but not least, I'm gonna give you an extra tip for you guys. So if by any chance you want to mirror selfies, so mirror the pictures taken with the front-facing camera, you can do this. So simply go to Settings, Camera, and right here, enable Mirror Front Camera. And these are the gestures that you must know on the camera. Please let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.